To start, measure the steps and cut the length required. These are 4-foot stairs, so for this project, we'll keep the full length. Fasten the brackets 1 foot from each end with self-tapping screws. Then tap the end caps on with a rubber mallet. Measure and mark 35 inches from the stair nosing, or your preferred height. Fasten the rail loosely and mark the bracket holes. Drill holes just a bit smaller than the wall plugs. Then tap the wall plugs in slightly below flush and fasten the rail tight to the wall.